The best time to start investing is always right now. Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Elia, and today we're going to talk about investing for beginners. Before we start, everybody knows the rules. Subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. As a bonus to this video, I will comment down below my top 5 stocks that I'm investing in long term. I will try to explain everything in this video as I'm explaining to a 10 years old, because I understand that not everyone knows even the basics of the investing, so I will try to make it easy for everyone. But before we start, I just want to let you know that you can start investing on your PC, laptop, or even easier on your phone or a tablet like iPad. Okay, let's talk about what is a stock. A stock is a share or a piece of a company. So by buying a stock, you're buying a small piece of the company. Different stocks, different companies will have a different amount of shares. You can find the prices in your brokerage app or in Google, or you can use Yahoo Finance to find a certain company's stock price per one share. This is the example, Amazon. As you can see, the Amazon one share costs 3,092.93 cents. So this price is for one share. It means that you need $3,092.93 to buy one share of Amazon. Price range varies. You can buy a stock for as little as 5 cents or even less, and it goes up to hundreds of thousands of dollars, like for Warren Buffett's company. The amount of shares the company issued times this price right here will create a market capitalization for the company. Market capitalization of a company is a pretty much, in easy words, how much does this company worth? How much does this company cost? You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Like I said, some people will start investing with $10,000, some people will start investing with $1,000, and some people will start investing with $10. Easy, small amount of investing every week will lead to a big success in years. Just think about this, 10 years per day, 365 days a year will make you $3,650 invested in the stock market. So it doesn't matter, you just have to start investing something. Like I said, the share prices could be as little as 5 cents or even less. There are a lot of brokerage platforms. I personally use WeBull. I think it's one of the best platforms out there. It's totally free. It's very easy registration. And if you use the link below in my description, you will get 3 stocks for registration. Also, I used to use Robinhood, but unfortunately, after a really bad situation in February 2021 and what happened in March 2020, I've decided to switch. But I do think that if you know nothing about stock market, Robinhood probably will be your best bet, because it's easy, but also it's lacking of a really good charts or other important options. So in my opinion, you would rather register in WeBull and have a little bit more advanced information about stock market for the future. How to make money from stock market. There are a couple ways how you can make money on the stock market. And at first, you have to buy stocks low and sell high. So let's see Tesla. This is a good example. In March 2020, Tesla was at $85 per share, and today, February 2021, Tesla is at $675. So a year ago you could have bought one share of Tesla for $85, and today you could have sold it for $675 per share. It's more than 7 times increase in price, and this is a good side of the trading. You don't have to do anything. You just bought it today and you can sell it in a year and you will make money. But of course, not all stocks go up and you can lose your money. The same like Tesla, we can see right here, in January it was $844.99 per share, and right now it's at $675 per share. So you would have lost almost $200 on Tesla. But on a long term, it doesn't matter. Good companies will always increase in their value and the stock's price will always go up. But again, there are a lot of other companies that stock price can go down. So you have to do your research. The second way how you can make money from stock market, when you own a share, some companies will pay you dividends. Dividends, it's a small amount of money that company will pay you per share. So if you own one share of Apple, for example, which is $121 per share, Apple will pay you 20 cents per share. If you own 2 shares of Apple, so it's $121 per share times 2, Apple will pay you 20 cents for every share. Some companies pay monthly, some companies pay yearly, but usually companies pay quarterly. So they will pay you dividends 4 times a year. Not everyone pays dividends. It doesn't matter how much company actually worth. Companies like Amazon, for example, they don't pay dividends at all. But companies like Apple, they pay dividends, and a lot of people investing in these companies so they can get a passive income from dividends. There are a couple strategies how you can make money on the market. There are 2 big groups. It's a long-term strategy and a short-term strategy. Let's talk about a long-term strategy. Long-term strategy is buying a stock and holding it for over a year. If you hold the stock over a year, you can call it a long-term investment, and in my opinion, it's one of the safest ways to invest, and this is where you can invest without actually putting your money at risk, because if you're investing in a good companies, over time their price is growing and their price per share will grow as well. Now let's talk about short term. There are 2 main ways how you can make money short term. It's a swing trading and a day trading. Swing trading is buying stock today and selling at some point in the future, maybe tomorrow, maybe in 5 days, maybe in 2 weeks, or maybe in a month. So you're buying today a stock for $100, let's say, and if the price tomorrow will be $150, you will sell it for $150 and you will make $50. At day trading, it's a buying and selling stocks on the same date. It doesn't matter how long you will hold it, maybe for 5 minutes, maybe for an hour, for 5 hours, or sometimes even for seconds. The whole point is to make money. Usually for day trading, you need a significant amount of money to make a good profit. There are a lot of restrictions for day trading, more suitable for experienced traders and for experienced investors. In my opinion, long-term investing is the safest one, and this is what I do a lot with my savings money. I buy stocks, value stocks. I do a research online in Google, Yahoo, and other places, and I invest long term. I have some stocks that I kept more than 3 years. I'm still keeping them. If you want to invest long term, you can use apps like WeBull, Robinhood, or Yahoo, and you can look for a blue chip stock. Blue chip stock, it's a stock with a really low risk, and usually it's the biggest companies right there like Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, and others. The price of a share of a blue chip stocks, they're not going up as quick as other stocks, but also the risk of losing money and risk of bankruptcy for these companies are very low. So in the long term, with your savings money, it's the best bet. Also, you can invest money in the index funds like S&P 500 right here. One share of S&P 500 costs $3,811.15. By investing in S&P 500, you're investing in a tiny percentage of 500 companies, of the biggest 500 companies in the United States, and they are very good diversified. So if market is going down, you probably will lose less money. And on the long term, S&P 500 have one of the best returns and one of the safest. So if you're afraid to invest your money in something else, like in a big companies like Tesla, Apple, and others, S&P 500 is one of the best bets for you. Now let's talk about taxes. If you hold your stocks for more than a year, it's called long-term investment, so your taxes will be lower. I'm not a tax advisor, so you have to do your research or talk to a professional, but I think if you hold your stock for over a year and you sell it, you pay taxes only if you sell your stock, or you have to pay taxes for your dividends. So if you hold your stock and sold for over a year, which is 365 days, you'll pay 15% long-term investment tax. If you hold your stock for less than a year, even if it's going to be 360 days or 1 day, which is day trading or swing trading, you will pay regular income tax, 20%, 25, or even higher. It technically depends on the place where you live. And now let's talk about why would you invest. First of all, investing will allow you to make money without doing anything. You have to invest your money once, and then you can keep your money there for years. And if you invest in a good, safe companies like blue chip companies, or you invest in index funds, your money will increase. The best savings account will give you the 2% at maximum. And if you're investing in S&P 500, the average return for S&P 500 is 7% per year, which is a great investment. And for Tesla, for example, in 2020, Tesla increased more than 700%. So if you invest $1,000 in Tesla in 2020, today you would have made over $7,000. And this is a great opportunity to make money. And it doesn't matter if you're 18, 20, 25, or 35, you should start investing in the future right now, little by little, $5, $10, $20. It depends how much you make. It depends how much you can afford investing. And in the future, in 5, 10, 20 years, this is gonna be your retirement. And if you will invest in a good stocks, if you'll do your research, you'll invest in a safe companies, you can make your money. By investing in a blue chip company, the liquidity is not a question. You always can sell your stocks if you need money right away. Hopefully I'll explain you the main questions about investing in the stock market. And like I said, comment down below your opinion and your questions. I answer all the comments, and hit that like button, help me out to grow, and subscribe to my channel for more videos about investing and making money. Take care, guys.